Hi everyone, welcome back to Flutter GetX tutorial series, and in this video we will start with GetMaterialApp from the package GetX. This is the starting point. After implementing GetMaterialApp, we will be able to use functionalities of GetX package, and also we will see Snackbar, navigation and all. So stay tuned. Let's jump into the code right after this intro. So I've already created brand new project, and these are boilerplate codes, and if you will run the application, it will be a sample project with this counter. Remove all this, we do not require. Go to your lib folder and create one dart file. It will be a stateful widget. Import the necessary package, and also for the UI remove this placeholder, and instead of that I'm using here scaffold, and it has a property app bar. And as a body of this scaffold I'm using container. Now here as home of this material app, and we all know that material app is our parent widget, main widget. After this all the widgets will come here. Home screen. Now let's run this. The app bar is coming. Let's change the background of this app bar. Fine. Now go to your pubspec YAML and also go to pubdev for GetX package. You can check all the details. It is available here related with GetX package, which we will discuss in upcoming videos. For now, I'm simply copying this package and pasting it in our pubspec YAML file. Pubget package is installed. Now let's run this once again. Close this pubspec YAML. Everything is good. Now let's go to main.dart file. Here material app is our parent widget. So what GetX says, if we want to use functionalities of GetX and utilities, whatever the functionalities GetX provide, if we want to use, we need to change this material app into GetMaterialApp, or we can say we need to add here GetMaterialApp. You can see it is coming from package get, and also in the pubdev you can see it is clearly mentioned. See here, add get before your material app, turning it into GetMaterialApp. All the information you can study this. Now let's get back to our coding. Here we have implemented GetMaterialApp. Now we will be able to use the functionalities of GetX package. Now let's go to home screen, and inside this container add one button. Let's take as a child, let's take one elevated button. So it has two properties, on press and child. As a child I'm passing here text, and on press I want to show snack bar. So with the help of get package I'm showing snack bar. So what you will do, like get dot, now first of all we need to import correct library. For that, get dot this one. So it is asking for title and message. Let's provide some title. Clicked, and here button is pressed. Now let's run this. You can see this is the button. Let's make it in center. So let's wrap this container. Now if I will click this, you can see I'm able to show snack bar, and also it has got so many properties, like if you want to change color of the text, if you want to change, if you want to add icon. So get package is providing so many customizable things for our snack bar. Let's suppose if we are not using get package, then for showing snack bar we need to type bigger code. Like I will show scaffold dot of context dot show snack bar. I don't know why it is not coming. So let's remove that, but we need to write some extra code for showing the same snack bar, and also for applying properties. It is like extra time consuming, but if you are using get package, then it is easy to show snack bar. So this is the snack bar. After that we will see screen navigation and all. Now I will show you why it is important to use get material app in main.dart function. Let's suppose if we are not using this as get material app, so I make it back to material app. Now let's save this, and as soon as I'm clicking on this button, this error is coming and it is saying clearly null check operator use or a null value. Also if you can see, these are the errors. Here it is saying anonymous closure, so it is not recognizing it. That is why it is necessary to use get material app while using the functionalities of get package. So let's revert it back. Let's run it once again. Now it is coming. So here our snack bar is coming from the top. I want to show snack bar from bottom. For that it has also got property. If you will jump to its functionality, you can see these are the properties available for snack bar. Background color is there. Where is position? Here it is, snack bar position. Close it. Snack bar position dot bottom. Let's save this. Now if we will tap on this, our snack bar will come from the bottom. Also we can change the background color. Make it orange. Now tap on this button. So you can see that these are the properties we can handle with the help of get package very easily. You can do several modifications with your snack bar according to your requirement. I'm not going to implement each and every properties. You can also handle like title text. You can add icon. You can also handle the curve, blur. So many properties it is actually providing even for snack bar. So you can now understand that what is the power of this GetX package. If you will use in your project, it will make your work easy and less time consuming. And as you can see here, we are not passing context anywhere, so it uses global context. Because of that, you can use this stack bar toast or dialog in anywhere in your project. You do not have to pass context. So in this video, I wanted to make you understand about GetMaterialApp, which I can assume that you must have understand why it is important to implement GetMaterialApp before using GetX package functionalities. Now in the next videos, we will be working with the GetX dialog bottom sheet and extra utilities. Also, we will see how it is very easy to handle screen navigation and passing data from one screen to another. And then we will do further coding with the GetX package. So stay tuned with us, and till then, take care. Bye for now.